Hermosa today. Super ang weather. And I don't know if we'll be shifting online tomorrow. Probably ganito, mas malala ang panahon sa Manila. So might try my luck today. Might run at least 4 to 5. Pwede na yun, okay na yun. I've been seeing this mga notifications na mga randomly nag-a-add online and even through text. Yung ano ba to? Parang ano ba to? Temu? Ano ba yung isa? Meron pa yung parang mag-a-add ka ng comment tapos you're gonna earn 4,000 to 5,000 pesos pagka mo. I actually tried that. Syempre, as a curious cat. Kaso, alam mo yung paulit-ulit mo na silang binablock tapos pabalik-balik pa rin sila. Then, meron dito sa atin yung naka-register ka na sa SIM card to protect your identity. Kaso, mga phishing, phishing scams pa rin eh. It still happens. And I don't know how they search for your name sa mga databases na kung ano-anong meron sa kanila, kung ano-anong system ang ginagamit nila. It's just alarming lang din. Okay. What else? Oh yeah. If you're someone who wants to earn at least 5 digits monthly for a part-time income, pwede rin namang full-time. And if you're someone like me who wants to learn about finances, investments, stock market, those are the things that I'm really looking forward into learning. Kasi you can probably watch online, pero iba pa rin kasi yung you get to learn through reputable companies and get certifications from them for free. Then just hit me up. Ayusin ko yung papeles mo. There's no payment needed for first timers, no payment needed upfront, like for real, I'm not kidding. Then take a licensing exam, you'll get to be licensed also, which is a good thing kasi licensed ka sa insurance commission. Plus you get to insure yourself, your family, you get to fix, ikaw yung mag-handle ng finances, yung investments, you get to check the stock market, kung kailan ka pwedeng mag-withdraw, kung mataas ba, or that's your biggest advantage from not being licensed. Unlike being a client ka lang na you have your own agent, diba parang kasi kapag ikaw yung nag-handle ng sarili mong you get to learn, you get to handle, and you get to withdraw, you get to get your own claim as well. Those are the biggest advantage from not being an agent. But of course, being a client for me, being a licensed financial advisor, of course, una pa rin yung kagustuhan ng kliyente. Kasi not all naman are destined to be financial advisors. Minsan, they're the ones who gets help na lang through us financial advisors. So, still, clients are first pa rin sa service. Diba? So, if you're someone like that, then go ahead, message me. We have every Saturday, 7 p.m. Try it. Wala namang mawawala, diba? So, yun lang. Might go and run, try my luck today. Kung hindi naman, aralin ko na lang yung research paper ko. Okay, bye-bye.